When going to a movie, you may expect a darkened theater with aisle seating, inching your way to your seat while carrying popcorn and drinks. Across from the Cactus Hotel, the parking lot at 17 East Toohig is transformed into an outdoor theater every Friday night, where family-friendly, non-violent movies are shown free of charge.
In the 6 years we've done this, I have never had a single problem out of the crowd with anybody. Everybody's just so homogeneous. It's wonderful. They get together, they visit and joke amongst themselves. The kids play in front of the screen, chase each other. The dogs come, we let dogs come in. I don't even fuss if you text during the movie. Go ahead, just share it if it's good. You know, that's what we want.
Tonight's feature film is The Lego Movie, a story about an ordinary construction worker thought to be the special, on a quest to stop an evil tyrant from gluing the Lego universe into eternal stasis.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
The last Friday of each month is Family Friday, featuring bicycle giveaways, while concession purchases help fund the event.
But if you want to nibble and munch, we can take care of that, and that helps finance the movies. Now, it's licensed, and it costs anywhere from $350 to $600 to show a movie one time for us.
With affordable snacks from popcorn and snow cones, Downtown Movie Night offers quality family time where everything is awesome and everything is cool. Janelda Martinez, KLST News.